Dan Resin here with Extreme Polishing Systems. Today we're going to be going over our Rockhard Epic 100 Epoxy Kit. This kit comes in 3 gallons with a 4:1 ratio, with a 3-minute mixing time, with a 30 to 40 minute working time, with a dry time of 12 to 14 hours, and a return to foot traffic time in 24 to 48 hours. With a 1-minute pot life, and your recoat window is 24 hours, or sanding as required. Now, let's get into the coverage rates. For a clear coat, we're going to do 1 coat at 100 square feet per gallon. For a flake floor base coat, we're going to do 1 coat at 150 square feet per gallon. For a solid color floor, we're going to do 2 coats at 100 to 150 square feet per gallon. And for a metallic floor, you're going to do 1 base coat at 100 square feet per gallon and 1 decorative coat at 30 to 50 square feet per gallon. Now, let's get into our pigment ratios. For a solid color floor, you're going to use 1 1-liter liquid pigment or 2 500 milliliter liquid pigments per 3-gallon kit. For a metallic floor, you're going to use 1 12-ounce powdered metallic pigment per 3-gallon kit, or you can use 1 1-liter liquid pigment or 2 500 milliliter liquid pigments per 3-gallon kit.